Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the delicious world of crispy, sweet and sour sesame pork. Let's jump right in. First up, grab a bowl and place those succulent pork tenderloin pieces in there. Then score on both sides and cut into stripes, then into chunks. Toss in some scallion sections and ginger slices. Now give it a good soak in enough water to cover the meat. Let those flavors mingle for a bit. After that flavorful soak, drain the water from the pork and sprinkle in some salt. Mix it up so that seasoning gets cozy with the meat. Next, it's time for that irresistible crispy coating. Gradually add cornstarch while giving it all a good stir until that pork is coated just right. In another bowl, let's whip up the sweet and tangy goodness. Combine ketchup, white vinegar, white sugar, and water. Mix it well until you've got that lip-smackering sauce. Heat up your pan with oil and make sure it's around that golden cooking temperature, somewhere between 60 to 70%. Now, let the magic happen. Fry those pork chunks till they are perfectly golden and crispy. Once they are golden delights, set them aside for a moment. And now, the star of the show, that sweet and sour sauce. Lower the heat on your pan and gently pour in the mixture. As it simmers and thickens, it's time for the grand entrance of those golden pork chunks. Give them a good swirl so each piece gets coated with that luscious sauce. To add a final touch of flavor and texture, sprinkle on some toasted sesame seeds. And there you have it, your crispy, sweet and sour sesame pork masterpiece. I can't wait for you to try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.